Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper, no, because it's actually Saturday, February the 12th, 2022. It's the yesterday's newspaper, yes. Because on Sunday, today, we don't receive any newspaper. And I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition. Yes. Okay, I've already solved two puzzles today: the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. Now it's time for the last one, the Tectonic with 1 star. Yes, 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. Faster than 15 minutes. And this tectonic puzzle will be number 4121. Okay. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because it's indicated with 1 star. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Well, I cannot see any single boxes in this puzzle. No single boxes here, only dual boxes. I see here dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box cannot be a 1 anymore. So that box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Same for here. This box can be 1. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Here another dual box contains the 1 and 2. I do not know in which order. So let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 2. Here we have a triple box. The following question is, can we see here the triple box? Because the triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 3 is already filled in, so those two boxes should be the 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. Here also a before I forget. When you see a triple box, the inside box, this is the inside box. Oh, sorry, the middle box. The box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Can it be a 1? Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Otherwise, I cannot fill those numbers in these boxes. Same for here. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box can only be 4 or a 5. We have here only 2 triple boxes. Then the following question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here quadra box. Well, this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, I cannot fill any more numbers. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No 5s in the quadra box. Only one quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures, constructions. Yeah. For example, we have here the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Alright. We have here the L shape. When you see the L shape, this box is connected with that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, draw this, the wrong L shape. Draw this L shape. Well, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So it's the same but rotated. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And that box, same number as this box. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Alright. This shape. This if when you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, upside down. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. So now we have 2 numbers left in this triple box, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, okay. More of this kind of shapes? No. No. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Here we have the T shape. Let me draw the T shape. Here. Alright. When you see the T shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright. The T shape. Do we have more shapes? No. Those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have only 3. There are more, I believe, maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we only see 3 of those figures or shapes that you need to recognize. The question is why you need to recognize these shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. You see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 it goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box cannot be a 1 and that box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And this box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this L shape area for numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Okay. Then. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. These 3 boxes surround a 5. Can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1 and that box should be a 2. Okay. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We already have a 1 here. So no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. It's definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Well, if I place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 here. So it can be a 2. This box should be a 3. And that box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay, two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Okay. Well. These two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Two numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2. Interesting. Wonderful. Let me see. Yeah. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2. So one digit left in this area for number 4. Okay. Well, this box can be a 1 or a 2 because we have a double 1 here and a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So one digit left in this quarter box should be the 4. Okay. This box can be a 1 or a 2. So the 1 and a 2 I need in this quarter box. In this cross area should be in those two boxes. This box should be a 1 or a 2. Okay. So the pair 1 and 2 goes in these two boxes. So the other pair, the 4 and the 5, should be in those two boxes as a pair. But we already have a 5 here, so it can't be 5 here anymore. This box should be a 5, and that box should be a 4. Okay. Uh-huh. 1 and a 2. Interesting. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 2, but also that box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 2 should be here. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me see. Interesting. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5 in this area. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 3 missing numbers now. Okay, the 2 is missing. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes, and I've solved this in 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplet, the killer Sudokus, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, another day on Monday. See you then. Bye bye for now.